We all have different financial goals to achieve. For that, we need a financial plan that is flexible enough to meet our income needs and also fulfill our life financial goals. Some of our life goals may need regular income, whereas some may need lump sum income to achieve their financial goals. Today in this video, we'll see whether this Bajaj Allianz Life Flexi Income Goal Plan help investors who need regular income as well as lump sum income to achieve their financial goals or not. This Bajaj Allianz Life Flexi Income Goal Plan has two variants. One is income benefit and the second one is enhanced benefit. Today we'll be covering about income benefit. Hi and welcome to holisticinvestment.in YouTube channel. We help individual investors like you to take right financial and investment decision. This Bajaj Allianz Life Flexi Income Goal Income Benefit Plan is non-linked participating guaranteed life insurance plan. Today in this video, we will be covering its features, benefits and also see its IRR analysis. By that, we will come to know the potential return of the policy. And also let us compare it with the pure term insurance along with PPF or ELSS. Then we would get to know a better picture about this plan and also help us take a decision whether to invest in this plan or not. If you see as an investor or as a policyholder, before choosing any new investment vehicle or policy, we will have a first look at its features. Now let's see the features of the Bajaj Allianz Life Flexi Income Goal Income Benefit Plan. Here the investor receives the cash bonus from first month onwards. You have the option to accumulate the survival benefit and earn an investment return. Here the joint life cover option is also available. 100% of the sum assured as guaranteed monthly income from the end of premium paying term till maturity. At maturity, you will get 50% of the sum assured as a maturity booster. Now let's see the benefits under the Bajaj Allianz Flexi Income Goal Income Benefit Plan. There are three benefits: the maturity benefit, survival benefit, death benefit. Under maturity benefit, provided the policy is still in force and the life assured is alive, the following maturity benefit will be paid. Maturity booster, 50% of the sum assured plus cash value if not fully withdrawn plus terminal bonus if any. Second benefit is survival benefit. The survival benefit can be further classified into three subcategories, namely cash bonus, guaranteed monthly income and cash value. Under cash bonus, at the end of each policy year, the non-guaranteed cash bonus shall be payable. You can opt to take the cash bonus in monthly installments. And you will also have the option to accumulate the cash bonus declared in the policy instead of receiving your cash payouts and earn an investment return on your accumulated cash bonus. Second subcategory of survival benefit is guaranteed monthly income. When your premium paying term ends, your guaranteed monthly income shall be payable every month till the end of the policy term. The first installments of guaranteed monthly income will be paid at the end of the premium paying term. You can opt to take the guaranteed monthly income in annual installments. You also have the option to accumulate the guaranteed monthly income in the policy instead of receiving the payouts and earning investment return on accumulated guaranteed monthly income. The third subcategory of survival benefit is the cash value. If you have accumulated the cash bonus or guaranteed monthly income instead of receiving it as payouts, then you will be receiving the cash value, which will be a total of accumulated cash bonus or accumulated guaranteed monthly income along with investment return. As a policyholder, you have the option to withdraw anytime during the policy term your cash value, which can be withdrawn partially or fully catering to your financial requirements. Third one is death benefit. If the policyholder's unfortunate demise during the policy term, then the nominee will be paid 105% of the cash value if not fully withdrawn plus terminal bonus if any will be paid immediately as a lump sum. Along with it, sum assured on death will be paid as monthly income over a period equal to outstanding policy term or 12 years, whichever is lower. Now let's see the other benefits that are available under this Bajaj Allianz Life Flexi Income Goal Income Benefit Plan. The first one is option to take the death benefit in a lump sum. The second one is option to take maturity benefit in installments, and the last one is alteration of premium payment mode. These are some other benefits that are available in this Bajaj Allianz Life Flexi Income Goal Income Benefit Plan. So whenever a new investment vehicle or policy that has come to the market, what we as investors first see? We just see its benefits and advantages. That's what catches our first attention. Now let's see the Bajaj Allianz Life Flexi Income Goal Income Benefit Plan advantages. Option to receive or accumulate the cash bonus or guaranteed maturity benefit. Through accumulation, you can enjoy the power of compounding. In case of the life assurance that under the joint life cover, along with the waiver of premium option, the spouse receives a lump sum or guaranteed regular income. You have the option to take a policy loan subject to a maximum limit of 80% of the surrender value. You can enjoy the extra coverage during the policy term by choosing the optional additional riders benefit at a nominal extra cost. Here the tax benefit is also available to the policyholder as per section 80C and section 1010D. So far advantages looks fine, but also we as an investor should remember that every investment vehicle or policy has advantages and disadvantages. This is a common fact. So now let's look at the Bajaj Allianz Life Flexi Income Goal Income Benefit Plan potential disadvantages. Because the weightage of disadvantages can help us take the right investment vehicle. Now if you see, the lock-in period is for 2 years for surrendering or loan option. Suppose it is common for us as investors to have multiple financial goals. Not every financial goal is a long-term financial goal. We may also have some short-term financial goals to achieve. For that, this plan is not looking that beneficial because the lock-in period is for 2 years. So for your short-term financial goals, I don't think this plan looks ideal, and also for any emergency purposes also, this plan doesn't have that cover for just for 2 years. And if you see, the cash bonus which you receive will not be able to suffice your big time expenses. What I mean by big time expenses? Expenses like child marriage, child education, because they come very rarely. So for that you need to accumulate those kind of a sufficient enough corpus to achieve those kind of financial goals. In that case, this plan is not looking that attractive. If you see, the maturity benefit is non-guaranteed amount. So if you want to start a new investment, then you can't rely on this plan. Say suppose you need to start a new investment catering to your financial goals itself, then this plan won't be that beneficial because you may not know how much you would receive as maturity benefit. So you can't plan your investment accordingly or start a new investment accordingly. In case you have chosen the accumulation option in the cash bonus of accumulated cash bonus or guaranteed monthly income, then the investment return on accumulated cash bonus and guaranteed monthly income shall be declared by the company every year. So the compounding effect is there, but only for an year. So if a compounding effect is more longer than a year, then it will be more beneficial for you as an investor. So in that case, this plan is looking least attractive. So far we had a basic outlook on this Bajaj Allianz Life Flexi Income Goal Income Benefit Plan. We have seen its benefits, features, advantages and disadvantages. But do you think this information is sufficient for you to take a right investment decision? No. You need to see its IRR analysis. By that we would come to know the potential return, which will help us understand whether this plan would be beneficial to our investment portfolio and also help us achieve our financial goals or not. Now let's see this Bajaj Allianz Life Flexi Income Goal Income Benefit Plan IRR analysis. For that, let us make some certain assumptions. So comparing it would be easier, and by that we would get to know whether this plan is worth investing or not. Here an investor is 30 years, sum assured is 10,28,016 rupees, policy term is 20 years, premium paying term is 12 years, and he has chosen an annual premium of rupees 1 lakh. Now if you are wondering where this benefit illustration has been taken from, it has been taken from Bajaj Allianz website itself. And the return of 4% indicate the worst case scenario, and the return of 8% indicate the best case scenario. It is 1.86% under the return of 4%, and under the return of 8% it is 3.78%. These are just assumptions. And also you need to note one point is that our country's inflation rate is 4 to 6%. This is lesser than even the inflation rate. So will this return help you achieve your financial goals? Definitely not. Even if you invest in bank FD rate, they can generate better return and higher return than this, which can meet up to inflation at times. But to achieve your financial goals and future milestones, what you need is inflation beating return. So now let us take a look into alternatives which can generate an inflation beating return for us and also help us build an efficient portfolio that can help us sustain in the long run. Now let us take a look into the Bajaj Allianz Life Flexi Income Goal Income Benefit alternatives. Now if you see this Bajaj Allianz Life Flexi Income Goal Income Benefit Plan is an investment cum insurance plan. Let us compare it with a pure term insurance along with PPF or ELSS. Then we would get to know a better picture whether investing in this plan help us achieve our financial goals or not. Here for that let us make certain assumptions, so comparing it would be easier. Here an investor would take a pure term insurance along with PPF or ELSS. He can choose either one catering to his financial goals and risk appetite. If you see an investor is investing in a sum assured of rupees 10 lakh, his policy term is 24 years, premium paying term is 10 years, annual premium is 8,000, remaining 92,000 he can either invest in PPF or ELSS catering to his choice. Now if you observe from this benefit illustration, there is a vast difference in the returns that other investment avenues generate. Suppose if you see for example, a pure term insurance along with PPF can generate an IRR of 6.65%. PPF is low risk investment. It can generate a much higher return when compared to Bajaj Allianz Life Flexi Income Goal Income Benefit Plan. Then what is ELSS? ELSS is high risk investors, suitable for investors with a high risk appetite. For them, investing in ELSS can generate an IRR of 11.06%. It is inflation beating ones, and to achieve your financial goals, you need inflation beating returns. So, you need to take risk in your investment and also make sure that you get returns accordingly. Suppose for example, a pure term insurance along with ELSS can generate a much higher return when compared to Bajaj Allianz Life Flexi Income Goal Income Benefit Plan and is also looking like a risk adjusted investment vehicle. So for you as an investor, it looks like a better choice to achieve your financial goals. Now let's see the final verdict on the Bajaj Allianz Life Flexi Income Goal Income Benefit Plan. It offers flexibility to investors in receiving their benefits. But these benefits won't be sufficient enough for investors to generate a corpus that is needed to achieve their financial goals. Even if you think from a perspective of life cover, this policy is not that adequate, and also from a return perspective, you can see even alternative investments can generate much higher returns when compared to Bajaj Allianz Life Flexi Income Goal Income Benefit Plan. So, you need to choose your investment vehicle carefully, catering to your financial goals and risk appetite. If you have doubt regarding what investment strategy could be beneficial for you or also what investment plan could help you achieve your financial goals, then you can consult your financial advisor. He will be able to guide you to the right path which will help you achieve your financial goals without much hurdles. If you wish to read a detailed analysis on this Bajaj Allianz Life Flexi Income Goal Income Benefit Plan, then you can read our article, the link to which is given in the description below. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.